Hi friends, after very long time I'm talking in English actually. I had a channel called Desi Life Coach. If you're not there, please do. So today the very best topic and most hottest topic if you ask me is how to win your subconscious mind. Mind is everything, sir. Mind only will determine whether you are a winner or a loser. Mind will only say that you are happy or you are sad. Mind will only say that you are the best or the top of the world or below the best worst. So these are things which will determine out of your subconscious mind. Okay, what is subconscious mind? Tell me, sir. In the whole world, remember, try to know this. The most successful person in the world, remember this, who who it is, just think about. It's none other than you and me. If you can just get into the bed and sleep just like that, then you are the most successful, most happiest person. Okay, how does this come into picture? You may say, sir, I am also sleeping, sir, there is not a big time, what I are saying is not right. No. If you are taking a pill, if you are taking a tablet, if you are drinking, if you are smoking, if you are abusing your body and saying, sir, I am very happy, yes, you will have, you sleep happily. As time passes, you will be slept forever. So don't be like that. So if you want to to win a subconscious mind, what you have to do? See, in our life, the most important, three important aspect is money, health, and family. Okay, how does subconscious mind work with money? Think about it. Okay, if my earning is not rightful, if my earning is not in the right way, it is a misuse of own power and misuse of your own rules. Sir, you may think that today making crores of money, you may think, oh, this fellow is great here. One time the same Malaya was considered the most successful person. Every media, they said he is the king of good times. What happened now? The king of bad times. He's been absolutely out of the country for that same reason, for the money sake. So that means his earning of money is wrong. That is why now the karma is coming back as a boomerang. Very simple. So if we start earning the money in the rightful manner, you may consider say that sir, you may have a black and thing, and the top of it you want to put a white color paint and say this is white. White is white only, black is black only. If you scratch a little bit, then you know who you are. Same thing. See, this is all I'm talking out of my heart, out of my experience. See, I'm not somebody, corporate guru say that you come and join this course, so you pay me this, or you shave your head, start traveling with me. Nothing like that, sir. I'm just like you. So, we have to earn money in a legal way. In a legal way that if you sleep and think about your money, it should give you happiness. If you are into that zone, then you already conquered the subconscious mind to be a very happy and successful person. If not, try to correct, sir. Sir, life, everything is okay, sir. Every possible things which you should not do, I have done in my life. Very frankly, this is a statement. But I want to be a refined person. See, every biggest person would have come across this phase of life for sure. If he can understand and change himself, then he's the most successful. If not, you know what you are. So coming to the second stage, okay, first we talked about money, how you have to be everything. Second thing, think about what about your health? Sir, I chill out, sir. I chill out every day, sir. I chill out every weekend. I chill out every month for every occasion, sir. I smoke that here and there. I use some substance sometimes. If you have come across all this person, oh my God, you should, if you can have your very conscious mind, correct yourself. This is because you're abusing your body. Today, if you abuse nature, what happens? Tsunami will come inside. You wanted to build a building in between the middle of the sea? 100%. You want to destroy a mountain, you want to destroy nature? Yeah, and the nature will destroy you, simple. Same thing, every action has equal reaction. So, if you wanted to, you say, I will eat every fried thing, I will not eat any green vegetables, nothing, sir. I only eat very fresh, fried ones. Your heart will not take that. That is very conscious, it has already won. But you have to win your heart means you have to take control of your food, what you are taking, what you are eating, how you are taking in a regular manner. So your eating all habits also make a very big change. So you have to take care of just not the eating. So the most important thing is that again, if you abuse your power of eating more, you'll know what it is. Same, you have to have a discipline there also of eating food on time and appropriate manner, which is healthy for your heart and for your body and mind. So two things we've covered. Third thing, money, family. So health. Last is family. Family, how it is, sir. You have seen a lot of people. You know who I am. I am the one who brought this. I am the one who worked so hard for it. What happens? I have see if your money is good, it will come to generation after generation. Everybody will be happy. Everybody will heal and healthy. I have seen so many people here. I will not tell you. Maybe from a very great aristocratic family. Now nowhere. Great political background family. Now nowhere to be seen. Great religious family generations. Nowhere to be seen. What is the thing? It is all about somebody's intention. I have to control this person. I have to control. I need to dominate. Whether I am right or wrong, I am beyond everything. Next to God, I am the person. Whatever I say, these people all have to hear because I am earning. I am the most elderly person. These are like fooling yourself. So never do this. So here again, if you want to win your subconscious mind, give space for others. Simple. So if you're a family of a whole, everyone, give their ears, give them some ears. So try to talk less. At the same time, there's one more set of people, and forsaken people. When you actually have to say, they will never say. They'll keep, I am very good in this family. I will not tell anything to anybody because they will think something bad about me. I have brought so much of image. Let them say, it is my spouse. I have to be very good with them. You get it? What it is? Again, misusing of power. Misusing of power means not taking somebody's thing. You are giving your rightful thing, what you have to do, you never did it. So what is the thing? You will face your consequences. See, I am not a guru. I am just like you. I mean, if you want to have a happy life, you want to have a happy sleep, you want to have a happy family, you want to have a happy thing, try to take care of disciplined ones. Let it be money. You have to earn in a disciplined way. I mean, earn in a most appropriate way, spend in appropriate way. If you want to have a healthy body, eat appropriately and give to others also equally, which what you wanted to have it. Third thing, give space for family. At the right time, you keep your mouth shut also. Give ears also. Sometimes you need to take power in your hands that you can have a control of the family. So everything comes very disciplined. So if you want to win the subconscious mind, this is the most fundamentals of all. If you take care of these three things, family, money and health, you are 99.99% successful than anybody is in this face of earth. See, somebody might say, oh, you know what, I have hundreds of crores. Okay, then you will have something behind it. There will always be a story, there is always a melody, there is always a song behind everything we earn and everything we do. There are a lot of people, in the final days, they will not be very happy. We may say, anything unsure, anything going away from the legal thing, away from the truth, there's always consequences. Never do that. One time I will rob the bank. If everybody thinks, what happens? In whole life you will be behind bars. It is not just bank. In life also it applies the same. So if you take a disciplined life, if you take a disciplined decision, if you take a disciplined action, that action will become like how we take a breath. When we take a breath, do you think count, oh, I have to take this much of air inside that I will live, this much of air that I will be healthy? No, it will be a constant action. So if you bring in a discipline in your way of life, you will win not just your subconscious mind, you will be the most iconic person. So I wish you will be like that. And we'll see in another episode, interesting one, which will really make a big change in life. Okay, till then, this is your Raja. We'll see you in another episode. Thank you.